Good morning everyone. Myself Dr. Gitanjali Chawla, Assistant Professor from the Faculty of Physiotherapy, RPIIT Campus, Karnal. Do not forget to hit the like and share button of the video. If you like the video, please share it, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button of our channel, that is RPIIT Academics, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. So welcome to our YouTube channel, that is RPIIT Academics. We are going to start the today's lecture with the anatomy of oral cavity. So it extends from skin vermilion junction of lips to the junction of hard palate and soft palate above. So oral cavity है क्या, जो कि लिप्स के स्किन के और वर्मिलियन के जंक्शन से शुरू होती है और हार्ड और सॉफ्ट पैलेट पे एंड होती है. Below it is limited to circumvallate papilla of the tongue. नीचे ये कहाँ एंड होती है? सर्कमवैलेट पैपिला ऑफ द टंग में. यहाँ आप देख सकते हो ओरल कैविटी. नेक्स्ट इज द स्ट्रक्चर्स इंक्लूडेड इन द ओरल कैविटी आर, मतलब जो स्ट्रक्चर्स ओरल कैविटी में कंसीडर किए जाते हैं वो क्या क्या हैं? लिप्स, बकल म्यूकोजा, अपर एंड लोअर एल्वियोलाई रिजेस, alveolar ridges, the retromolar tricon, anterior 2/3 of the tongue, floor of the mouth, and the hard palate. And again it is divided into external compartment, vestibule, and inner oral cavity proper by alveolar ridges and teeth. ऊपर वाले में बताया है क्या क्या इंक्लूड होता है, और जो हमारी ओरल कैविटी है वो भी दो में बांटी गई है, जो कि इंटरनल एंड एक्सटर्नल में. एक्सटर्नल कंपार्टमेंट वेस्टिब्यूल से होता है, और इनर ओरल कैविटी जो है वो डिवाइडेड है एल्वियोलर रिजेस एंड टीथ से, मतलब एल्वियोलर रिजेस एंड टीथ के अंदर वाला पार्ट इज़ इनर ओरल कैविटी एंड बाहर वाला इज़ एक्सटर्नल कंपार्टमेंट विच इज़ नोन एज वेस्टिब्यूल. Here you can see the diagram. Here you can see the parotid gland, the skin and the subcutaneous fat, the masseter muscle, branches of the facial nerve, buccal fat pad, buccinator muscle, and mucosal layer of the mouth. Here you can see the 7 divisions of the neck of the mouth. Level 1 is the submandibular or submental division. Second one comes under the lateral compartment, having superior spinal accessory and superior jugular vein and jugulo-digastric junction. Third one is the mid-jugular. Fourth one is the jugulo-omohyoid and inferior jugular vein, and in the fifth one consists of the inferior spinal accessory and the transverse cervical. The sixth one comes as the central compartment, comprises of pretracheal and paratracheal regions. Mediastinum has the seventh part, which includes infraclavicular and anterior mediastinum, thymic region. Sensations are supplied by the second and third branch of the trigeminal nerve, मतलब ट्राइजेमिनल नर्व की जो सेकेंड और थर्ड ब्रांच है, मैंडिबुलर एंड मैक्सिलरी नर्व, वो सप्लाई करती हैं सेंसेशंस टू दी ओरल कैविटी. मोटर नर्व सप्लाई करती है, फेशियल नर्व मोटर फंक्शंस करती है. लिम्फैटिक्स इसका दो जगह जाता है, पैराटॉइड में एंड लिम्फ टू लिम्फ नोड्स ऑफ दी नेक में. हेयर यू कैन सी दी हार्ड पैलेट, यू कैन सी दी डेंटल आर्च, प्री मैक्सिला, इंसिसिव फोरामेन, palatine process of maxilla, palatine bone, posterior nasal spine, palatine foramen, hamulus, tensor palatini muscle, and levator palatini muscles. So what are the importance of the hard palate? Are the mucosa and periosteum are closely adherent to it. These foramina are potential route of spread of malignancies anteriorly to nasal cavity and posteriorly to skull base. Lymphatic drainage through level 2 if in posterior hard palate, and both primary hard palate drains into level 1 nodes. Sensation is given by the second terminal branch of trigeminal nerve. Here you can see the retromolar trigon. Here you can see the mandible bone. The importance of the retromolar trigon. Mucosa is closely adherent to the ascending ramus of the mandible, and carcinoma in this region often invades the mandible, and referred otalgia results from innervation of V3, that is third trigeminal branch, and lesser palatine nerve and the glossopharyngeal nerve. Lymphatic drainage is done into the level 2 lymph nodes. Here you can see the floor of the mouth. Some salient features of the tongue are sulcus terminalis divides the tongue into anterior 2/3 and posterior 1/3. Anterior 2/3 is a part of oral cavity and posterior 1/3 is the part of oropharynx. Anterior part is divided from the lateral lingual swellings of first branchial arch and got lingual nerve as the sensory supply. Broadly, the muscles of the tongue are divided into two parts, extrinsic group and intrinsic group. The extrinsic group contains styloglossus, hyoglossus and genioglossus. The intrinsic group contains vertical, longitudinal and transverse. And the innervation is done by the hypoglossal nerve, and the sensations is given by the lingual, and taste by chorda tympani by the facial nerve. And the third branch of the trigeminal also supply the EE, external auditory meatus, and TM, tongue malignancy, has referred pain over the ear also. Arterial supply is done by the lingual artery. Lymphatics is done by the tip of level 1 lymph nodes, lateral aspect at level 2 nodes, and medial aspect into the level 3 nodes. Lateral drains only in ipsilateral nodes, and medial can drain in both ways. Thank you.